Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how fish oil works in the body. First, let's understand what fish oil is. It's a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are essential for our health. Since our bodies cannot produce these vital fats, we must get them from our diet, often through supplements. These fatty acids are fundamental components of cell membranes throughout the body, influencing their flexibility and signaling capabilities. Once you consume fish oil, your digestive system gets to work. In the small intestine, enzymes break down the oil into individual fatty acids. These smaller components are then absorbed by intestinal cells and reassembled into tiny packages called chylomicrons. These chylomicrons travel through your lymphatic system before entering your bloodstream, ready to be distributed throughout your body to various tissues and organs. Upon reaching your cells, EPA and DHA are integrated directly into cell membranes, making them more fluid and responsive. This integration is key to their benefits. They also serve as precursors for specialized pro-resolving mediators, which help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This mechanism contributes to improved cardiovascular health, enhanced cognitive function, and greater flexibility in joints, supporting overall well-being. Beyond cellular integration, fish oil has broader impacts. It helps maintain healthy blood pressure and can significantly lower triglyceride levels, benefiting your heart. Furthermore, these essential fatty acids are vital for maintaining sharp vision and supporting a balanced mood. For more great deals, including the Owala water bottle mentioned, please check the description below this video. Your support helps us create more helpful content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.